Welcome to Decoding for Kids. In this, we are going to play a new game, Pirate Blunder. This Pirate Blunder game is a fun coding game which is designed for kids. Okay, guys, at first open a new Chrome browser and type Hour of Code. In this, click the first link. Here, change the languages to English and click Explore Activities. Here in the search box, type Pirate. Yeah, this is the game we are going to play, Pirate Blunder. Click Start. Now give Start My Adventure. Yeah, this is the game we are going to play. In this, we have to help the pirate reach his treasure using the block based coding. Here, if you see, these are the blocks. You are going to use drag and drop blocks to control the pirate. And after some levels, you will be using the loop or condition concepts. Okay, now this is the workspace and these are the coding blocks. Using this, I'm going to make the pirate reach the treasure. So at first he has to walk 2 steps forward to take the treasure. After placing the blocks, you have to click the play button. It's on the right top. Yeah, that's it. Click continue to go to the next level. This is level 2. Here they have given one more block for making the pirate turn left and right. So at first he has to walk 2 steps forward and he has to turn left, and again he has to walk 2 steps forward. Then he has to take the treasure. Now click the play button. You can see the pirate walking and turning left to take the treasure. Now click continue to go to the next level. This is level 3. So at first he is facing the opposite direction, so he has to turn. Now using the drop down, you can change it to right. Then he has to walk 1 step forward and again he has to turn left and again walk 1 step forward to take the treasure. Now click the play button. Yeah, he has reached the treasure. Now click continue to go to the next level. Now they have added a new block, collect block. Using this, you have the pirate will collect the keys to open the doors. So at first he has to walk 1 step forward and then he has to collect the keys to open the doors. Then he has to turn left. Then he has to walk 2 steps forward to collect the treasure. Now click the play button. You can see the pirate collecting the keys and opening the door. Yeah, unfortunately, I missed one block. He has to walk one more step forward. So again, I'm adding that block and giving play button. Yeah, now he has reached the treasure. Now click continue to go to the next level. Yeah, this is level 5. they have added one more block, which is the fight block. Here, if you see, he has to battle this man to take the treasure. So at first he has to walk one step forward, then fight the battle, then two steps he has to walk forward to take the treasure. Now I'm giving the play button. Yeah, now you can see he has fought that battle and he has reached the treasure. Now click continue to go to the next level. This is level 6. Now he has to walk one step forward. He has to turn left. Then he has to fight the battle. Then he has to walk two steps forward to collect the keys. Then he has to turn right. Then he has to walk three steps forward. So I'm placing the walk block three times to take the treasure. Now click the play button. Now if you see, he is fighting the battle. Now he is collecting the keys and he is turning right. The door got opened. He has reached the treasure. Now click the continue button. Now this is level 7. Now they have added a new block here, which is the climb block. He has to climb the thing to take the treasure. So at first he has to walk one step forward. He has to climb and walk two steps forward to reach the treasure. Now I'm clicking the play button. Now we can see the pirate climbing. Yeah, now he has reached the treasure. Click continue to go to the next level. Now this is level 8. Now he has to walk one step forward. Then he has to turn right. Then he has to walk one step forward to collect the keys. Then he has to turn left. Then he has to walk one step forward. Then again he has to fight the battle. Then move forward one step. And he has to climb up to take the treasure. Yeah, that's it. Now I'm clicking the play button. Now you can see the pirate collecting the keys and opening the door. Now he is fighting. Now he has to climb up to take the treasure. Yeah, click continue to go to the next level. Here from this step onwards, we'll be using the loop concept. If you want to know more about loop, you can see this tutorial video. Now I'll just skipping this video. Yeah, this is level 9. Here loop concept is nothing, but instead of writing the same command multiple times, we'll be using the loop to repeat it again. This will make the coding little shorter. So they have given the loop block, which is repeat block. So using this, the number of lines of coding will be reduced. So inside this, I'll be placing the blocks. So the pirate has to walk 3 steps forward. So I am placing the walk block 3 times. Then he has to turn right to take the treasure. So I'm placing the take treasure block outside. Here I'm giving repeat it 3 times. See, 3 times he has to repeat the same process to take the treasure. So now I'm clicking the play button. Now if you see here, the loop gets repeated again and again so that he can take the treasure. Yeah, click continue to go to the next level. This is level 10. Here also I'm using the repeat block. At first he has to climb up, then fight the battle, then he has to walk 1 step forward, then he has to turn right, then he has to walk 1 step forward, and he will reach the treasure. And here I'm changing it to 2 times. The same thing will be repeated 2 times. So now I'm clicking the play button. Now you can see it's repeating the second time. Now you can see he has reached the treasure. Okay guys, let's see the rest of the levels in the upcoming video. Thanks for watching.